All right, so let's put this over and see which one looks better.
Holds water quite well. Just gonna pour all this on here so you can see how.
Is that too much? Like, is that too much modern stuff? Too much chicness happening? I don't know.
Today I'm gonna show you some modern carpets, and I'm gonna get you to decide which one I should swap it in.
What's up, guys? You guys know that I enjoy modern abstract art. I mean, look at my paintings. We found another awesome little carpet. We're gonna add either to our hallway. Oh wow, that actually looks good. Or maybe we'll swap that carpet in our white room too, because we have a lot of blue accents in this house. Our little toddler is always crawling on these, so I want to make sure that they're nice and soft. But on the same note, I always want to make sure that the carpets are kind of stain proof or easy to clean, as well as moisture resistant, right? So you don't be slipping around if some water or juice gets accidentally spilled. And all these carpets that I've bought on Amazon seem to have the same underlying pad, and instead of like these little dots that you see here, they make the surface non-slip as well. The size that I like is usually between 3 and 5 feet or 3 and 6 feet. That kind of goes well in most of my rooms. They're large enough to not take up too much space, but also, oh wow, that actually looks good. Even in here. Wow, that's actually nice. But the question is that too much? Like, is that too much modern stuff? Too much chicness happening? I don't know. But let's take this into the room that we actually thought we were gonna put this in. This is the current carpet that we have. It's also very nice and modern, and it goes quite well with the rest of the room. This is a very nice, cool pattern. You can almost use this as a painting, but I think I'm gonna like the blue a lot better, honestly. And it's just a little wider too. Yeah, you see how little accents can transition it from room to room? That's home decoration right here. All right, so let's put this over and see which one looks better. So I'm just gonna put this over and see if this one's better. And I have a feeling that it's going to be. Oh, it's identical size actually. So it's like 3 by 5. It's a soft, almost cashmere soft feel. It's extremely low pile. It is very water absorbent and it's protected at the bottom. Holds water quite well. Just gonna pour all this on here so you can see how the water spreads. So we just put some water on this carpet and it's just being moved around. Look at that. No water came through. It's a soft pad. We're just gonna let that go. Of course, it's gonna stay on here a little bit, but again, you can just pat this down. Super modern. Like, it's so modern looking. It comes in different dimensions as well. And yeah, this is super soft, so you can sit on this, your kids can play on this, you can crawl on this. And honestly, I'm very happy with the way this looks.